This is exercise 14.3, question number 1. The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. Right? What they are telling? Find the mean, median and mode, and we need to compare the data. Now look at the table here. Here in the first row they said monthly consumption in units, and in the second row number of consumers. Meaning is what? There are 4 consumers who use 65 to 85 units of electricity, right? There are 5 consumers who use 85 to 105 units of electricity, and so on. As they said us to find out mean, median and mode, first we will do mean. Okay, so look at the answer here. Mean I will find out by using the step deviation method. So first column same, second column is also same according to the given information. Now we will find out the class mark. Class mark, it means that average of the class. This is the class, average of it. How to find out? Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2, right? So 65 plus 85 divided by 2, if you will do, it comes as 150 by 2, it is 75. Now next one is 85 plus 105 by 2. If we'll do it, we'll get it 95 here. Then here 115. Look at this one. Here also you can see the difference is 20. So you will keep on adding 20. So 115 plus 20 will be 135. So here 135. Then here 155. Here 175 and here 195. We got the class marks, correct? Now we need to choose A. A means the assumed mean. Somewhere from xi's you are going to find out. The value is supposed to be somewhere in the middle. Okay, so 135 comes at the middle place. You can take any value, but for the calculation purpose, take the middle value. That is more comfortable. So A is 135 here. Now I need to find out H. H, it means that the class size. Take any one of the class. Suppose I am taking the first class. The class size means upper limit minus the lower limit. 85 minus 65 will come as 20. Okay. So we got the class size here. Now we'll find out UI. UI, which is equal to xi minus a by h. This one is xi here, 75. 75 minus 135, right? If we do the subtraction, see here, 75 minus 135 divided by 20. This one, UI. So subtraction will come as what? This is 0 here. This is 60 by 20. So minus 60 by 20. So 21s are and 23s are. Right? So it comes as minus 3. Now here 95. This is 95. 95 minus 135. See here, I'll show you. 95 UI, which is equal to 95 minus 135 by 20. So 95 minus 135, it will come as, this is 0, 13 minus 9 will become 4. So 40, minus 40 by 20. Correct? So our answer will come as 21s are and 22s are minus 2. So here we'll write down minus 2. Same way 115 minus 135. So it is minus 20 by minus 20 by 20 is minus 1. This is 0, this is 1, 2 and 3. If we'll keep on doing exactly the same way. Now Fi Ui. So product of these two numbers. So it is minus 12. 5 into 2 minus 10 here. 13 into minus 1 is minus 13. This is 0. This one. Then 14 into 1 is 14 here. 8 into 2 is 16 here. 4 3s are 12 here. Correct? Now we need to do the addition of this one. Now we'll do the addition. plus 12 minus 12 cancelled. Now minus 10 and minus 13 is minus 23. Minus 23. And this one is 30. Correct? 30. So 30 minus 23, it comes as 7. So sum of all the FIUIs is coming as 7 here. Correct? Now you see how many consumers are there? Total number of consumers. In the starting only they said 68 consumers are there. So sum of these numbers, sum of all these numbers definitely will come as 68. Now we'll use the formula for the mean. Here x bar, which is equal to A plus sigma Fi ui divided by sigma Fi into h. This is the formula of step deviation method. Okay. Now here assumed mean was 135 plus sigma Fi ui means this 7 and sigma Fi is 68. H is 20. So let us do it here. So we will write down 2 ones are here. This is 0, 2 threes are 4s are. Okay. So which is equal to 135 plus, once again one more time we can reduce this, 2 5s are, 2 17s are. So 7 5s are 35 divided by 17. Okay. So here we need to divide this 35 by 17. This 135 will keep as it is plus 35 by 17. 17 twos are 34. 1 is remaining. Now here we need to give the decimal place 0. Still 10 doesn't come in 17's table. So 0 here. So one more 0 I'll write here. 17 5s are 85. Right? Now till 2 decimal places our answer is okay here. This is the rough work. So here 2.05 which is equal to 137.05 units. This is the mean of the data. Correct? Now we'll find out median. Now look at this one here. For the median, first column and second column, they are same. Correct. For this one, we need to find out CF. CF, it means that the cumulative frequency. What is that? Cumulative frequency. Right? Now, how to find out the cumulative frequency? If I say there are how many consumers who are using less than 85 units. So, 4 consumers are there. So, here I'll write down 4. Then if I say there are how many consumers who are using less than 105 of units of electricity. So less than 105 from the starting. So 4 plus 5 will become what? 9. What I am doing here? This 4 and plus 5 I am adding. Now once again, there are how many consumers who are using less than 125 units of electricity. So from the starting, this one plus this one plus this one. So instead of doing like that one, what I will do? I will just add 9 plus 13. Right? So 9 plus 13. So it comes as 22. Okay? Then less than 145. So 22 plus this 20 will come as 42. Then less than 165. 42 plus 14. So it is, this one is 6 here. This is 5, 56. Less than 185. So 8 I will add. 8 and 6, 14. Here 64. And finally 68. Have you understood what I did? Simply see what I did here. 4 as it is I have written. Then here 4 plus 5 I did here. Then I have written this 4 plus 5 plus 13. Then 4 plus 5 plus 13 plus 20 and so on. Correct? This way I got the cumulative frequency. Right? Now, total number of consumers are 68. So here I'll write down 68. See, this value and this value is matching. So n, total number of consumers means n. N by 2 I will do. So 68 by 2, which comes as 34. Now I need to find out 34th number consumer comes in which class interval. See here, till this one, till 125 units of electricity, 22 consumers are using, right? 23rd consumer will be in this class interval. So till 145 of units of electricity, 42 consumers are using, right? It means that 34th consumer will be somewhere in this class interval. Try to understand it properly, what I am trying to tell you. I want to find out 34th number consumer will be in which class interval, right? So till this one, 22 consumers got over. 23rd number consumer will be somewhere here. 24th number consumer will be also in that group only, right? So in this way, 34th number consumer will also be here. Why? Because till 42 the consumers are below 145. Okay, so from 23 to till 42, all these consumers will be inside this class interval. It means that 34th number consumer is here in this class interval, and this class interval is called as median class. So I will write here median class is equal to 125 to 145. The lower limit of the median class is what? 125. And H, class size. Class size is what? Upper limit minus the lower limit, which will come as 20. Correct? Now, for this class, this is the frequency F. Okay, so F, which is equal to 20. And I need to find out CF. That means cumulative frequency of the previous class of the median class. This median class is there. So you need to write down CF of the previous class. So 22 is the CF, cumulative frequency. Okay. So see, these values you have to write in a proper way. Okay. Now let us see the formula. The formula is here median which is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Okay, so L is what? L is 125. N by 2 is what? 68 by 2 means 34. CF is 22. Frequency is 20. Class size is also 20. Right? Now this 20 and this 20 got cancelled. 125 plus 34 minus 22. It comes as 12. So our answer comes as 137. Right? 137 units. So median is 137 units. Now we did mean, we did the median. The last thing is that we have to find out the mode. Let us see the mode now. For the mode, once again, first two columns are same. What we'll see? The maximum frequency. So this is the maximum frequency. We'll call it as F1. This one is the modal class, right? The frequency of the previous class is F0. Frequency of the succeeding class is F2, right? So here I'll write down modal class. Modal class, which is equal to 125 to 145, right? So our lower limit is what? L, which is equal to 125. Class size, once again, upper limit minus lower limit, which comes as 20, right? Now we'll write down the formula. All the values are here, f0, f1, f2. We'll write down the formula here. So mode, which is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2 times f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. We'll just substitute the values now, which is equal to 125 plus f1 is 20 minus f0 is 13 here, divided by 2 times 20 minus 13 minus f2 means 14. So this is 14 into h is 20, right? So here I'll just write this side. 125 plus 20 minus 13 is what? 7 here. 7 into 20. Chalo, in the next step we'll do it. This is 40 minus 13 and minus 14. It is minus 27 into 20. So here 125 as it is plus 7 2s are 14, 140 by 13. So this division we need to do now. 125 plus, I will show you the division here at this place, 140 divided by 13. Okay, 13 ones are 13, 1 is there, 0. Now this doesn't come in 13's table, so here 0 here. Now still I will give you 1 0 here now because of the decimal point. Now 13 sevens are 91, so it comes as 9 only. Now this 0 is here, 13 6 are here, 78. Okay, now no need to do the subtraction, we just want the answer till 2 decimal places, that's all. So here 10.76. So here I will just add it. Now after doing the addition here, we get 135.76 units. So this is the maximum consumption, right? That means mode of the data. Now what they said, you have to compare all the 3 units, that is measures, mean, median and mode. So let me write it down here. They have given us mean, it means what? Average monthly consumption, right? Which was 137.05. Then median was 137. We will write down units. Chalo, here also units. And mode, which is equal to 135.76 units. That means maximum consumption, monthly consumption is this much. Okay, now just look at this one. If you see, this number is little bigger than this number, and this number is little bigger than this number, right? This number. So we can say here mean is greater than median, which is greater than mode, right? It actually approximately they are near to each other. A slight difference is there. But looking at the answers, we can conclude that mean is greater than median, which is greater than mode. I hope all of you understood this sum. Thank you.